Today, we've got some interesting stories to explore from latest developments in autonomous vehicles, revolutionary 3D printing, and new release amongst others. Let's dive right in. Cruise is preparing to return to the Bay Area nearly a year after a tragic tragedy in which one of its driverless vehicles ran over and dragged a woman. In their recent post on X, the business stated that it is deploying several manually driven mapping trucks in Sunnyvale and Mountain View, with the objective of moving on to supervised testing with 5 autonomous vehicles later this fall. The return of Cruise's autonomous vehicles to San Francisco is a big step for the future of public transportation. However, the temporary manual driving mode following recent issues raises safety concerns. How comfortable are people with the idea of sharing the road with self-driving cars? This signals both advancements and challenges in the race for fully autonomous vehicles. Cruise and other companies need to balance innovation with public trust and regulatory hurdles. While Cruise is steering back into autonomous driving, another technology is pushing boundaries in construction. 3D printing has been praised as a viable alternative to traditional construction methods. It promises to bring speedier building timelines, more innovative design, and fewer construction errors, all while lowering carbon emissions. New study from MIT suggests an interesting new take on the notion, based on 3D printed glass bricks, fashioned like a figure 8 that snap together like Legos. MIT's innovation in 3D printed glass could lead to more sustainable construction materials. This has the potential to reshape eco-friendly architecture, reducing waste and environmental impact. It's a major leap in material science, as recyclable glass blocks open up new possibilities for complex, durable, and green designs in architecture. This could spark a trend toward more sustainable building methods worldwide. While MIT is building a greener world with glass, Tesla and General Motors are connecting the dots in electric vehicle charging. After several months of delay, General Motors announced that owners of its battery-powered vehicles would be able to use Tesla charging stations with adapters. As Tesla and GM team up to provide EV charging across the U.S., this collaboration could make electric vehicles more accessible to everyone. More charging stations mean fewer range anxiety issues and a broader acceptance of EVs in everyday life. This partnership marks a significant step in standardizing EV infrastructure, potentially speeding up the adoption of electric cars. It's a win for both the environment and the automotive industry, pushing tech innovation and policy towards a greener future. As the EV infrastructure expands, AI is tackling an even bigger challenge that is climate change. G42, an artificial intelligence startup located in the United Arab Emirates, has partnered with U.S. chipmaker NVIDIA to work on climate technology. The company said in a statement that the two companies would collaborate to create AI solutions targeted at improving global weather forecasting accuracy and will establish an operating base and climate tech lab in Abu Dhabi. With AI tackling climate change, this partnership could result in groundbreaking solutions for reducing emissions and managing natural resources. The public stands to benefit from more efficient energy use and smarter environmental strategies. G42 and NVIDIA teaming up for climate tech is a testament to the growing role AI plays in global environmental challenges. While AI is working to save the planet, nothing is creating new ways for us to experience sound. The upcoming Nothing's innovative open-ear earbuds could change how we interact with sound. They're designed for an immersive audio experience without completely blocking out external sounds, perfect for people who want awareness while staying connected. These earbuds showcase the growing trend of merging fashion, functionality, and futuristic tech. The product could set a new standard for wearable audio devices, appealing to tech-savvy consumers looking for something fresh. That's all on today's episode. Do join us on Monday for another packed episode. Thank you for watching.